Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys. It's a DIY video. So I've been trying this TikTok hacks on my channel a lot, you guys, because it's very interesting and I always wanted to try it out whatever I see, and I'll always think that I should share it with you guys so that you can also try. I've been seeing this TikTok video where you can make your own body shimmer from just baby oil and a shimmery eyeshadow. So I thought I'll just try it out. So I'm gonna try it out for the first time. So let's see how it goes. So basically you need just a baby oil and a shimmery eyeshadow or highlighter or whatever. So I'm gonna use one of the old eyeshadow palettes that I have and I'm gonna make this. So let's get started. So all you need is a transparent bottle like this. If you have the dropper, that's better. And then you need baby oil. Any brand is fine. I have the Johnson & Johnson's baby oil with me right now, the transparent oil basically. And you need I'm gonna use the shimmery eyeshadow from this palette, which is, don't worry, it's not original Naked palette. This is fake one, so I will not destroy the original one for sure. This is the fake one that I got to try it out. So I'm gonna take this bronzy color from this palette, the bronzy shimmery one. I don't know if you can see, but this is the bronzy shimmery one. So can you see, like, yeah, it has that shiny texture. So I'm gonna take this one. So I'm just gonna break this with anything you want. I'm just gonna use the scissors. Okay, this is so satisfying for some reason. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna take this bottle, and I'm gonna fill it with this Johnson & Johnson's oil. You can use any color. If you want a lighter color shimmer, you can go for that as well. I am taking this bronze color because I am dusky skin toned, so I would want a bronzy shade as the shimmer. Okay, now I'm just gonna close this and let's shake a bit. Okay, wow. Okay, this looks nice. See that? It actually looks like body shimmer, no? Okay, it's a bit runny though. So now we have the body shimmer right now with me. It looks actually like the body shimmer that you buy, which is very expensive, and this one is so easy to make, and it's just, this baby oil is just 100 rupees. Let's see. So I'm gonna use this on my body and see. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is oil, so don't wear it and go outside during sun, during daytime. It will burn you, so don't do that. So if you are going for a party at night and all, you can try this, but not during the day, because no. So I'm just gonna use it on my hand, and I'm gonna use it on me. Okay, I think I should switch off the light and see. Let me see on my hands. Okay, there is a certain type of, but is that oil or shimmery? That's what I don't understand. I think there is a little bit of shimmer to it. Yes. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there is shimmer. Okay, so that's a success. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.